Congratulations are in order to Bafana Bafana and coach Hugo Bros. Bafana Bafana surged to a commanding 2-0 lead against South Sudan in the opening 45 minutes of their final 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualifier, displaying confidence and clinical finishing at the DHL Stadium in Cape Town. Head coach Hugo Bros made 5 changes to the lineup that secured a victory against Uganda in their last outing. Patrick Maswanganyi and Tapelo Morena, who both impressed off the bench with goals in that match, were handed starting roles. They were joined by Ikram Reyners, Fawaz Basadjan, and Siyabonga Ngezana in the refreshed starting. The South African got off to a dream start in the early minutes. Ikram Reyners broke deadlock with a composed first-time finish into an open net, capitalizing on a precise low cross from Oswin Napolis. The early goal set the tone for a dominant display. Bafana Bafana maintained their attacking momentum and doubled their advantage midway through the first half. Patrick Maswanganyi was in the right place at the right time to slot the ball home into another empty net after South Sudan goalkeeper Majak spilled a powerful strike from Tobeho Mokoena. The home side continued to press for a third goal. Reyners came close to doubling his tally on the half-hour mark, breaking through the defense in one-on-one situation, but Majak's heroic save kept the visitors in the game. South Sudan managed to create the first meaningful chance 10 minutes before the break. Johanna fired a close-range effort on target, but South Africa's goalkeeper Ronwen Williams showcased his flexes with a crucial save to maintain the clean sheet. As the first half drew to a close, Khuliso Motau nearly added a third for Bafana Bafana with a powerful grass cutter strike from outside the box, missing the bottom corner by mere inches. With a commanding lead and a series of near misses, Hugo Bros' side heads into the second half, brimming with confidence, while South Sudan faces an uphill battle to turn the tide. Congratulations again to Bafana Bafana. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.